Hey, I'm Matt Muenster, and I'm coming to you from Celebration, Florida, at the home of Frank and Sharon DiCola. Now, Frank and Sharon have a big project going on. They're replacing every window in their house, and today is install day. So we're gonna hop inside, talk to them about the process, and see how everything's going so far. Follow me.
We were looking for a home down here in Florida for retirement, and I said, let's go look in Celebration.
How are you?
Good morning, how are you?
Hi, nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
What I like about Celebration Florida is the community feel in the neighborhood.
The openness of the family room and the kitchen was what we wanted, because we like to be in that type of arrangement, you know, eating, watching TV.
The minute I walked in and saw the kitchen, I knew this was the house for us.
The house needed some touch-up and some rework, and the last 2 years we put a lot of effort in fixing it up.
The bathrooms all needed to be redone.
The roof.
The roof, yeah.
Oh, those are always fun things to
Yes,
do. Yeah, okay. So you put some work into this.
Yes, we did.
Yeah.
Put a lot of work into it.
Okay, let's talk about making some right decisions.
Okay.
Windows.
We had one window in the kitchen that we'd open and it would close by itself, so we had to get a 2x4 to prop it up to keep open so we could get a breeze in, and that was frustrating and annoying.
You'll leave windows alone if they're doing their job. It's one of those things you hopefully don't have to think about.
Even just cleaning them was problematic.
Yeah.
So we decided it's time to get rid of them.
Several of the windows we couldn't even open, we couldn't even unlock them and get them open, so we could get no ventilation.
Being an engineer by background, I really wanted to see what kind of quality of window would survive in the climate that we have here in Florida.
When you started doing that research, what made you more dial in to Renewal by Andersen? What was it?
It was the quality of the window and the longevity it would last in this climate.
Okay.
So that was an easy decision to make.
Okay.
You know, it made sense to me as an engineer, and we went forward.
Yeah, and they came out and they custom measured every window, so it wasn't just a standard window they were trying to force into an existing opening. These windows were custom made to fit each and every window that we're replacing.
I think part of the process of Renewal by Andersen is those initial steps when the design consultant comes in and really just educates you. They're not here to sell you, they're here to teach you. As homeowner, you want to feel comfortable about making an investment like this in your home and doing it the right way with the right people.
And during this whole process, we felt very comfortable in dealing with Renewal by Andersen. It was very factual, to the point. So there was a confidence level that we were getting the right information and being explained everything in the correct manner that we can understand it, and felt very comfortable going forward with Renewal by Andersen.
Everything they make is custom made. So not only is it made for this address, for these homeowners, but it's made specifically for that opening or that opening. Down the road, if anything ever does need to be serviced, we know exactly what's going where. And where's this one going? Over here? Let's do this thing.
This is kind of like a retirement home. We want to make it as maintenance free as possible. You want to be one and done. So we felt that we would go with the quality and don't have to worry about it for the rest of our life.
So why am I, as a contractor, sitting on the porch while these guys are working in the background? All the guys up there in the black shirt and tan pants, they all went through a training to become certified master installers. They are the best of the best at what they do. So when you want something in your home done right, the install matters. As you can see over my shoulder, God, the old shutters are even going back up. And it's kind of just looking like these windows have always been here. And this is just a one-day thing.
Well, it'll be very interesting. See how it matches, how it looks with respect to the outside. We'll see how it looks on the inside, and then it'll be, you know, if it comes out to our expectations, we'll be very happy about it, which I think it will.
Wow.
Wow, it's better than what I expected.
I like that line.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, good one.
That's not meeting expectations. You know what that is?
Better than
That's
Exceeding
exceeding expectations. That's right. You feel that breeze?
Yes.
Yes, I
Why don't
do.
you go feel it inside?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very
Enjoy.
much.
Open those windows.
Thank you.
Enjoy. So there you go. Another custom window project for a beautiful home and really happy homeowners. Another home run for Renewal by Andersen.